Help! My hair system's a tangled mess. What do I do? Hi, I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and welcome to my channel, The Real Deal, where I talk about your hair loss, why you've lost your hair, and is there anything you could do to get it back. So you just got done washing your hair system in the sink, and now it's a tangled mess. What do you do? The first thing you want to do, no matter what, is to be gentle. These hair systems, whether it's skin-based or lace-based, are fragile. So be gentle. That's number one. Number two, lightly towel dry the dampness out of the system so it's not dripping wet. Three, if you have a leave-in conditioner or detangler, get it. If you don't, you can make your own. If you've got conditioner in the shower, take some conditioner, pour it in a spray bottle, mix half with water, half with the conditioner, shake it up really good so it all mixes up, and you can spray that into the hair. And that'll work as a conditioner and a leave-in detangler, all right? But that's the last thing you want to do, only if you don't have a leave-in conditioner. If you're wearing a hair system, you should have a spray-in leave-in detangler anyways, all right? Now, my favorite detangler in my studio is an Aquage product called Biomega Moisture Mist. And this kicks butt when it comes to detangling the hair. Between this product and your patience and following my instructions, you'll be successful at untangling your hair system. So the two tools you will need for this project is your leave-in conditioner detangler and a brush. Like I said in my other videos, these are great massage brushes. They have nice little balls on the end that doesn't destroy the hair system and lightly detangles the hair. All right, so get your tools. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go in and spray the hair system with your detangler, your leave-in conditioner. You don't have to oversaturate it. More is not always better. You can always add more as you go, okay? And you will have to add more as you go, I promise you that, depending on how bad the tangles are, all right? So as you're spraying it in, leave it on for a minute or two for it to start penetrating and do its magic, all right? And at that point, you're gonna take your brush and starting at the ends of the hair shaft and working your way in, you're going to lightly, gently comb out the tangles. Now, as you're combing out the tangles, you might come to a point where it's not really combing out or it seems really tangled. If you just flip the hair to the right or the left and start detangling it from the other direction, same from the ends, working your way into the hair shaft, down the hair shaft, into the base, and move it in different directions. If you move the hair in different directions as you're brushing the tangles out, that will also help immensely. Okay, again, you're going to lightly spray the hair system, always adding more as you go. Take your brush, starting at the ends of the hair shaft, gently brush out the tangles. And again, move the hair into different directions as you're brushing along back and forth, but stay in the same place and work your way up. Go around the edges of the hair system first and work your way into the middle of into the hair system. So the ends and work your way into the middle. More than likely, you're going to have more of a nest of tangles in the middle than the ends, okay? So if you start in the middle, it's not going to work. So you got to start on the ends, get the less tangles out, and as you pull those out, you'll open up room for the more intense tangles to be brushed out of the hair system. All right, guys? Okay, now, it's important that you follow my instructions because it does work if you do it my way. And when you're doing this, guys, don't be in a rush. Take your time. Okay? This is a very fragile procedure because you don't want to start ripping the hair out of the hair system, and then you might just pull one big chunk out and now you got a big bald spot, and then you need my other video, hair system emergency. My hair system's losing its hair. So once you've taken and you've gotten all the tangles out of the system, just spray the moisture mist or your detangler around the system again just one more time and comb it through with a comb this time. So you make sure you get all of but don't use a real fine tooth comb, use a wider tooth comb so you're not just pulling the hair out of the hair system. You only want to pull the tangles out, not the hair. All right, guys, so that's how you detangle your matted, crazy, messy hair system after you've washed it and think, oh my God, I've screwed it up. What am I going to do? Well, I just told you what to do, all right? And it's guaranteed this will work if you follow my instructions. And you have to use a decent product. That's always important, is a decent product. So if you like what you saw in my video today, or you don't like what you saw in my video today, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any questions or comments, again, the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Otherwise, don't forget to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and this has been The Real Deal. Have a great hair day, guys.